Hi. So I was about to do my skincare tonight, and I want to do my rolling tonight and some extra stuff. But I am very tired, and I nearly went ahead and did it without showing you. So I thought I'll just come on and show you. Even when you are tired and you have a wee breakout, just do it because you're going to feel better. So I'm going to just do a normal video on this here. Share it. I'm not going to speed it up, so it will be a long time, but hopefully not too long, and it'll show you how fast you can actually do your, what I would call your deep sort of skincare. I only do mine once a week with the rolling, but some people do it twice a week, so it's just really depends on what you prefer yourself. But I just, with the breakout and stuff, I just thought, get up off your bum and just go and do it. So I am. So I had my pre-cleanse on, so you can see it's all oily and shiny. So I'm just going to take it off. So I'll just be doing everything as I normally do it, but not sped up. And you can see, even with my good skincare, you still can get the odd breakout, which is fine because your skin is living, and it has its own way. So now and again, for a couple of breakouts is perfectly fine for normally glowing skin. This is actually a professional product I'm using here. It's not for home care, but I love it. I do use it in the treatments, and now I'm eating it. This would be part of the Clinicare set, just a wee mini peel. I wouldn't use it all the time, it's just once a week. I don't want to go overboard in the cleanser. You can see this one's really foamy cleanser. I feel like the strike fire there. This one I love bringing with me travelling because it's only 100 mils, but as you can see, it's quite foamy. And I got a new mascara, and it's awful to come off. I'm now thinking it's waterproof or something. Very annoying. If anybody has any recommendations on mascara, let me know. Because it's really hard to get a good one. So make sure you have everything really well removed. And you can see that I am not that gentle with my skin. I'm not too rough either, but I'm not that gentle either. So that's the prep done. So I have used my pre-cleanse, well, I've used my professional, and I have used my cleanser. So I will use my Clinicare roller. So I don't put any pressure on my roller whenever it's fresh, because you don't need to. As you use it, it will dull. So I would just put a wee tiny bit more pressure on it. You don't want to be rolling that you're actually seeing a bit of blood or anything, because that is far too much. You just want to make wee micro tunnels into the skin, so then your products can seep down further, but also you're causing good healthy trauma to the skin, which will get your sorry, notifications coming through, that will get your baby collagen and your blood supply, everything all up and going and excited and refresh. I'm doing here because I've started to get wee fine lines there and I hate them. And I've actually found that I am more controlling my rosacea now, because I really put it down to this, my aftercare with it, because it is increasing the skin barrier there. It's helping sort of the skin barrier get healthier, and then that makes everything here sort of thicker and more sort of like a wall, so things can't penetrate in, but also your products can't get out and your nutrients can't get out. So it's made it healthier. Really, your vitamin A topically every day will make it healthier too, but definitely this has escalated the results. So it's fantastic. But again, I only really do this once a week because I am very touch sensitive, but I feel that's all I need. Everybody's different, and whenever you come in and we chat about it, we will discuss it. I'll have a look at your skin and see what I recommend. So you can see I'm always lifting off, I'm never dragging, because you will tear your skin. So I don't think I've missed anywhere. Then I'll run this under really hot water. Now and again I'll wash it with tea tree wash, and then I keep it in my tray after I wash so to let it dry, and then the morning time I put the lid on. Never ever hit it off anything, because you will, even if there's just one wee spike that's been hit, it'll pluck your skin, and then over time you'll start to break out, and then it'll be a whole sort of breakout all over the skin, and your skin will just get annoyed, and it's not worth it. I have broke 2 in my whole life, and they're very close together, and I've never done it again. So my aftercare would be the Clinicare hyaluronic acid, because it's very low molecular weight, so it'll slip in through the skin anyway, but especially when you have all your wee tunnels made, it'll go further down in, and this is like a major drink of water for the skin. So it'll really go down into the skin, where a lot of hyaluronic acids, they're not medical based, they're cosmetical based, so their molecular weight is bigger. So it'll feel all lovely in the skin, and you'll be thinking, oh, it's really nice and it's lovely, but really it's not penetrating in, it's just sitting there feeling nice. It's not really doing that much. This does it. This is the best one I've ever come across. So I just give it a good one good squeeze, and just all over. Because a lot of skin complaints is actually dehydration. So hydration on the skin is just major, but not too much oil. And then I will be adding my eye cream, only I ran out on holidays because it was stupid. And I went on holidays and I think day 2, day 3, went to do my pumps and completely ran out. So you can see on the eye cream it has this wee window. Now you can, the sequence range has those windows, and you can see I am going to run out of these as well. Have I got spare ones at home? No. So I will definitely be putting these in my bag in the morning time. So let's hope I have enough for tonight. And nights like this as well, I would be mixing a wee bit of retinol in and maybe adding a wee bit of super moisturiser on top. Usually I have the Advanced Elixir, which I absolutely love the Advanced Elixir. It is definitely a game changer, but I've ran out. So it's on order. There's a massive order coming, and my Advanced Elixir and eye cream is in that order too. So those are my go-tos, and that's what I would be putting onto my skin, especially after rolling, just for that sort of intense sort of blast. But you can already see how lovely my skin is and glowy already, and all that redness will be calmed down in under an hour usually, and then it'll be lovely glowy for the morning time. So I'm so glad I wasn't lazy and didn't do this here. I'm never sort of, oh, what would you call it? I'm not tired. You never regret doing it. It's like going to the gym. You never regret going to the gym afterwards, but you don't want to actually do it whenever you're about to go. You'll make every excuse under the sun. So that is rolling, slow down for you. Hope you enjoyed that.